Most reasoning mistakes are not made on purpose. They happen because the brain looks for shortcuts. Today, we focus on just two reasoning errors. Not because there aren't more, but because learning a few well is better than naming many. The first is overgeneralization. Overgeneralization happens when we take a small amount of information and treat it as if it applies to everyone or everything. One experience becomes always. One example becomes everyone. For example, I met two dishonest people from this group, so they are all dishonest. The problem is not noticing a pattern. The problem is concluding too much from too little. Two cases are not enough to describe an entire group. The second error is false cause. False cause happens when we assume that one thing caused another just because they happened close together. Something happens first. Something else happens next, and the brain connects them automatically. For example, I wore this shirt and then had a good day, so the shirt caused it. But timing is not proof. Sequence is not causation. Just because two events happen near each other does not mean one caused the other. These errors are powerful because they feel reasonable. They don't sound foolish. They sound familiar. That's why slowing down matters. When you pause, you give yourself a chance to ask, is this conclusion bigger than the evidence? Am I assuming a cause without proof? You don't need to accuse or correct anyone. You just notice the pattern. Catching these two errors early prevents many larger mistakes later in money, media, and everyday decisions.